thousands of future sinkhole victims.
On Plant City's Azalea Blossom Drive, homeowners feel that at any moment
we could fall into a hole. There's no doubt. Yeah, it's very scary.
That scary situation has happened to quite a few folks in Laura Clemens' neighborhood.
Maybe 100 yards away back here, they have a 30 by 90 feet sinkhole in the middle of their home.
Sinkhole liability lawyer Morgan Barfield has represented many of Laura's neighbors. His goal is to get sinkhole victims the money they deserve from insurance companies. He says it's tough enough as it is, but now a new law proposed in the legislature could make matters worse.
And so now they're trying to limit that coverage by another 75%.
The goal of the bill is to limit insurance fraud by having a sinkhole coverage limit.
You're at the mercy of your insurance company if this bill goes through, and there's nothing you can do about it unless you have literally tens of thousands of dollars out of your own pocket.
That's how Laura sees it. If a sinkhole opened up under her home right now, her coverage would pay out almost 100%. Under the new legislation, she would only get 25%.
I mean, who's going to pay the 75%? We, the hardworking people, we might as well just literally get up and pack.
Some sinkhole experts say if this legislation passes, it would put the burden on the homeowners to prove they are sinkhole victims to their insurance companies. And that could cost a lot of money if they have to hire an attorney or their own insurance adjuster. And that could mean a spike in foreclosures, like this one here. Laura feels lucky she hasn't suffered the fate of neighbors. But if this new legislation becomes law, she says her future would be unfortunate.
This is not the remedy. This is not going to fix it at all. This is going to make it way worse. Part of the reasoning behind the bill has to do with some Florida insurance carriers that have dropped sinkhole coverage altogether. So at least this bill would guarantee coverage, even if it's not enough. Tammy?
Quick question before we let you go, Erica. You know, the session just started last week. I'm sure a lot of homeowners don't even know about this proposal. Did Laura even know?
Yeah, the short answer, no. Until we knocked on her door tonight, Laura did not know about this legislation, and neither did her neighbors. She says she's going to round up her neighborhood and start a petition against this legislation.
All right. I know you'll keep us posted, Erica. Thank you so much for that report. Folks,